So at this point, okay, since we have already distributed the finisher ribbons, I would like to call Sir Jovel for the announcement of, meron kasing surprise, okay, top 3 of 3K, 5K, and 10K category. Opo, so I would also like to ask the assistance of Sir Darex. Nasa yung records, opo. Sir Jovel.
Okay, again, congratulations sa inyo lahat. Kahit na hindi kayo nag-top, at least natapos nyo yung category na din-clear nyo. No? Okay, so we will start from 3K. Ang bibigyan natin, hindi ito hindi yung 1, 2, 3. Basta top 3. Top 3 lang. So regardless kung ano yung time, basta sila yung nasa top. Okay? So mayroong pare-pareho lang naman yan. Consolation lang naman yan. Okay? So when I call your name, please come forward. Siguro alphabetical order na lang. Okay? For 3K, aggregate nila siguro mga nasa 17 to 18 minutes for 3K. Sir Glamar Lagria, Sir John Paul Manggubat, and Jimwell Pineda. Tumatasan, will you please kindly. Congratulations. Okay, Sir Glamar. Sir Glamar, health specialist from Rindu. Next, Mr. John Paul Manggubat. 3K, John Paul. 3K, John Paul.
Hindi makatayo.
And Mr. Jimwell Pineda. Congratulations. Wala kayo napapasaya. Bakit puro ka to? Yung tatlo, pa-picture. 3K. Pa-picture kayo dito. With Mr. Numata. Okay, next. Okay lang. Okay, 5K.